Okay. We want to solve by elimination. We are going to use plus 24 on this side and plus 24. Now when you add 24 to this side, because this one's a negative, it eliminates itself on that side. So then you're left on this side with negative 8x. This, see, this is a 24. There's no y on the end, so you're going to do 12y plus 24. Okay. And now we're going to do divided by negative 8, which eliminates this. This little right here, this is the division. Shorthand way to do it. Okay. Negative 8 divided by 12. You're left with 1. 4 over 8. Because of this is a negative y. Minus, because of this turns into a minus. Anything times a negative, as long as it's not two negatives, is a negative. If it's two negatives, it turns into a positive. You can think of it as, if you see this, it's only one side. If there's two of these, you can make a positive. You can make a plus sign with it because there's two lines. So, a little shortcut method there. And that goes into it 3 times. And then what we're going to do is reduce it. I'm not sure if this says to do it on your page, but in order to reduce it, this 4 over 8, we're going to divide it by 2 on each side. So this would be divided by 2, this would be divided by 2. And it will turn out to be 1/2 y minus 3. This is our solution for x for this equation. Now for y, we do the same thing. Divide by 12. Eliminates that. You're left with y. 8 divided by 12. We did it up here. Only instead of the 1, you're not going to have a 1. This would be negative 8 over 12x. This would be negative 2. Don't forget the negative here. We need this negative in order to make this 2 a negative. And carries down. Now, you can either leave this as a fraction, or you can put it as a decimal. You plug it into the calculator. 8 divided by 12 is XYZ. But this is your answer for y. So now you have the answer for x and the answer for y with that equation. Now your next one is, and you can plug these into the calculator. You write them out longhand. In order to write out the entire equation as you solved it longhand, negative 24 minus 8. You put parentheses around x. X, you do 1/2 y minus 3, write a parenthesis, okay, equals 12. Now I'm going to do this again, the parentheses, because we did the solve for y. And this would be negative 2 minus 8 over 12x. And that's how you would write out the equation. Now when you check this, both sides should be completely equal after you solve it. Oh, I did that. Oh my gosh. Alright. Because we solved for y and x. 24 minus 8, negative 1, 1/2, negative 2, negative 8 over forget this part. They probably don't want you to do all this. This is something. Never mind. Oh God. Too early for this. Okay. 1 plus 5 over 9 y negative 7 over 18 x. Okay. So we're gonna this is gonna be a little tricky. We're gonna solve for x. Ow. Alright. Probably should do y first. I'm gonna do x. So in order to get this, we can actually fix this to not be a fraction. In order to fix it to not be a fraction, we're going to multiply. This is a little multiply symbol for shorthand because otherwise you get confused with the x. So times 18, which eliminates this 18. So then we're left with 18 here because it's 1. Let's see, I'm going to need my calculator. 18 times 9 and 18 times 5. $72. 162. $90. Y equals negative 7x. And I did my little math equation up here in the corner, sorry. Alright, now for this, we are then going to take these, divide it by negative 7, because we want to get that 7 out of there, solve for x. So, $162 divided by 7. $23.1. Alright, down here. Give me 1, 7. This will be negative because of the negative here. We're going to carry down that negative, even though this is a positive number. This is a negative number. This rules. It trumps over everything. Which, I don't know why I did that. 1 second. That's a negative because of this negative here. So that's my screw up, sorry. This is a 1. Alright. This would be 2 point, and then whatever's left, 14. 2.4. Sorry, spider. Who was apparently very interested in math. It is now dead. And squished over there. Sorry. I thought I saw something moving. I didn't know. Been distracting me. Now I know it was a spider. Okay, that was fun. Jesus Christ, everything's getting in the way here. I got a spider trying to attack me. I missed you on some days. Jesus Christmas. We're just doing good here. Okay. 1 plus 5 over 9. Y equals negative 7 over 18. Now we're going to solve for y. In order to solve for y, we got to get these over here. Minus 1. That's the easiest part. 5 over 9. Y. Now that I don't have anything jumping over there distracting me. Minus 1. Times 9. And that gets rid of that. Remember, the negative stays here. So 9 times 7 is 63. And you can reduce all of these. You find a common denominator between the top and the bottom, and it reduces it. 9 times 18 is 162. X minus 9. Divided by 5. I'll write over here. Run out of paper. This is the equation. So we do it the same way we did this longhand division here. 5. This goes into it 3 times. 15. 12. 10. And of course that's 2, so you put 2 up here. So then this is negative 5. Of 0.3. X. Trying to see past my phone. It's not working very well for me here. 1.4. There's your solution for that. I apologize for the weird spider thing. Yeah, that's just gross. Get off here. Ew, it's stuck. Okay. All right.